everybody, this is a random rant, and I'm sure all the priestess and priests amongst every continent, every city, every state can understand what I'm saying here. If you come to someone for help, it's not our job to beg you to save and to help and to fix the problem. When you do a reading, if you're not willing to do the work, don't do the reading. If you're praying and you're not willing to do the work, you may as well not even pray. It's serious. And when you ask for something and you want a result, if you're not willing to change the things that you are doing so that you can get what you need, then what's the point? Just be happy, be satisfied in your stressful life. But when you come to someone who their life purpose is to help you, it's a disrespect for you not to do the work. Because that's what matters. Nobody cares about the money. It's not about the money. However, you go to the doctor. If you have surgery, you pay for your surgery. You pay for your doctor visit. Right? And if you don't, they bill you. And so either way, you're paying with your credit. And I'm just saying that when you reach out to someone and say, hey, I need help. And they say, listen, even your doctor say, listen, you have diabetes. You do not need to eat sugar, salt, or whatever they tell you not to do. And you do it. You can't blame the doctor. You have to blame yourself. So you have to be at a point in your life when you really, really, really want to make change. It has nothing to do with money. That's just step one. When you pay that doctor for that visit, if you don't take that prescription pill that they tell you to take, you can't say, oh, I'm still sick because of blah, 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 blah. And that's it. Just do the work. If you're really, really, really want to make a change in your life, you have to do the work. Thank you. And that's my pushing point for today.